Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity as the challenges I am talking about. That that is the AI emerging technology, and we are focusing on the partnership and the global discussion. And the major challenges came across step by step when we are achieving the different milestones. Because this is the emerging technology, we have to give kind of the recognition to the innovator, the ownership and the proprietary, as well as on the other hand we are talking about accessibility and about affordability. The major challenge where that how we will balance this proprietorship as well as the affordability and accessibility. That is one important challenge, that it is a kind of push and pull mechanism, that on one hand we have to acknowledge the innovator, on the other hand we have to make such kind of the policy which has to be balanced, that recognition of the innovator and the startups and entrepreneurship, on the other hand that the end users are benefit by the very minimum cost. That is required when we are talking about the harmonization in the regulation, because in a different country and we are talking about the participation and the partnership with the different stakeholders all over the country. So the regulatory harmonization is must. That the regulation in our country is a different, that the regulation with a developed country would be the different. How we will just only achieve a single mindedness of the countries which are the stakeholders of a different or of a single technology. And other the important the challenge is the data, because we have to came across when we are talking about the AI, that we have to manage the data and the protection and the proprietorship on the data when we are talking about the clinical trial data. And when we are talking about the academics that generating the data and it is going to the industry for the product development. How you will balance? These are the challenges we came across not only for the AI, but the other technologies like biotechnology, nanotechnology, any kind of the emerging technology, the same kind of the challenges we are came across. And important thing is that the definition of the intellectual property right, the patenting, because it is emerging technology in our country, it is very confusing and it is very not clear as we are taking the computer software program. Per se, it is not patentable. But when it is embedded in the hard disk, then it is patentable. So in different countries, the proprietorship would be the different. So we have to look these aspects very clearly when we are talking about the partnerships, when we are talking about the innovation converting into some kind of the tangible outcome. That this is all the challenges we have to keep in mind when we are achieving different milestones through different terms and country conditions. This is our responsible, this is our boundary, this is our kind of strength, this is our ownership, and this is the type of the mutual ownership. These kind of things we have to take care right from the beginning. Thank you.